This is Jack McKenna with Land Data Plus. Today we're going to be discussing high accuracy LiDAR sensor examples, top manufacturers and key factors for selecting LiDAR systems. Overview of leading manufacturers, and this needs verification. Velodyne, high resolution 3D object detection and mapping. RIEGL, Mini VUX-1 UAV, compact and high performing. SICK, 2D and 3D sensors. LMS 4000 for accurate scanning. YellowScan, surveyor, lightweight and field ready. DJI, Zenmuse L2, dense foliage penetration and high precision. Velodyne, high resolution 3D LiDAR sensors, wide field of view, high accuracy for object detection and mapping. RIEGL, Mini VUX-1 UAV sensor, compact and UAV compatible, excellent performance in survey applications. SICK, S-I-C-K, LMS 4000, accurate and powerful 2D scanner, offers both 2D and 3D LiDAR solutions. YellowScan, surveyor, lightweight LiDAR for UAVs, civil engineering and mining applications, real-time georeferenced point cloud data. DJI Zenmuse L2, turnkey LiDAR payload for DJI Matrice drones, dense foliage penetration, high precision elevation capture. Key factors to consider: accuracy, range accuracy of 0.5 to 10 millimeters, mapping accuracy up to 1 centimeter horizontal and 2 centimeter vertical, field of view and range, angular scan extent and range capacity, vegetation penetration, suitability for forested or overgrown areas, data processing, real-time monitoring, simplified post-processing. This is a draft questionnaire that's been put together by old school photogrammetrist Jack McKenna, but it should get some conversations going with your proposed vendor. Conclusion: high accuracy LiDAR sensors provide precise 3D mapping and elevation data. Manufacturers like RIEGL, YellowScan, Velodyne, DJI, and SICK lead the industry. Sensor selection depends on accuracy, range, field of view, and environment. UAV integrated LiDAR options continue to expand capabilities. Proper data processing ensures survey-grade outputs and operational efficiency. Additional comprehensive land administration information is available in the Jack McKenna book, A Land Administration Toolkit, available on Amazon. My email address is jack_mckenna@landdataplus.com.